This chapter is all about understanding the installation procedure of Falcon. So the prerequisite, first of all, we need to understand is that Falcon is a PHP framework, so it requires a setup which is normally done with the PHP, like with a complete stack, like Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP, or like Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, depending upon your distribution and your operating system. So we need WAMP, LAMP, MAMP, or a XAMPP stack for this framework. So as far as for my PC is concerned, it has a XAMPP structure, which you can see easily. So I will show the complete proceedings of how the installation takes place of Falcon framework. So now the next thing, which is like, let's go to the official website. So this is my official website of Falcon, and the download structure is present over here. So in the download structure, as per your operating system, there are various kind of things, like for Linux, Unix, or Mac, Windows. There are developer tools which we will see further in this chapter only, like why it is required. So let's go to the Windows DLL section. So over here, there are two stable versions. One is for the 64-bit and another comes like not only constrained for 32-bit, but any other kind of thing which is not supported for the 64-bit. As mentioned over here, it is highly recommended to use the latest version of the PHP corresponding to the DLL so that you can get the complete set of the feature of Falcon. So it is mentioned over here. So you need to download it. So I've downloaded this package because mine is not supporting for this condition thing. So I have already downloaded this package. So you need to just download it. And once it has been downloaded, what you need to do is that open it and extract it to your particular php.ext file. I will not do that because I've already done it. So inside C drive, I have XAMPP folder, which is present over here. And inside the XAMPP folder, I have PHP folder, which has ext, that is nothing but your complete DLL file extension thing. So I will show it in my folder, like inside PHP have already extracted Falcon framework DLL file. So which is present over here. If you just observe it, php_falcon.dll. So I have already done this. After that, what you need to do is that once you have extracted over here, inside bin, inside your PHP file, you need to edit php.ini file. Okay, so I will show it. So in php.ini file, you need to edit it inside the extension library, which is present over here. You need to add this particular extension, that is extension php falcon.dll. Once you have done with this particular thing, you need to again restart your Apache and your MySQL so that you can get the appropriate output in the dashboard. Immediately you can see it inside the dashboard. I'll just stop and restart it. This is the control panel of XAMPP. So I will start Apache and MySQL, and now what I'll do is I'll go to the admin section. So here the complete dashboard is visible over here. The XAMPP dashboard, you can say. Now inside the PHP info, you can see that Falcon has already been installed. Just you need to scroll it down to get it. See, this is like all the configurations of the file is present over here. So yeah, this gives a complete thing that Falcon web framework has been installed in your system. So this is just a part of the installation thing. The other section which we need to understand is about creating a particular project in Falcon. You need to create a web project and analyze at how it has been done. For that, all you need to know is understanding about the web tools, like the developer tools. So if you check out for the website, so this is the developer tools which is present in. So the developer tools comes in various kind of packages for Windows and everything. So usually it is supported with the GitHub. There is a version control system, like it gives all the repositories or something. You need to just clone or download it. So I have already downloaded the zip file, but still I'm showing it like how it has been done. So once it has been downloaded, what you need to do is like just check it out. It has downloaded over here. So extract to Falcon's DevTools master. Okay, so I've already extracted it. Then I'll sort by date modified. So Falcon's Dev2 master is already there. what I'll do, I'll copy this particular folder in my C drive. Why in C drive? Because C drive includes all the important files and everything related to the project development. So all these particular files, I will copy it over here. And then what I'll do, I will set the PHP environment and everything in the system. So setting up the PHP environment and everything in the system in your particular operating system or your PC is done with the help of the environment variables. So in the advanced system settings, you need to go for the environment variables. Okay, over here, you need to add a system variable. So, or you need to just edit it. You will already have a path variable over here. Yeah, the path is already present over here. Just check it out if PHP has already been included or not. Yes. If not, it had WAMP in it. So for now we are using XAMPP. So I'll remove this particular path of WAMP. Okay. Now I'll add XAMPP thing. So XAMPP PHP ext, that is done inside here. So this particular path, like PHP's the XAMPP extension is to be added over here. Just add it. And another thing is adding up the path for DevTools master. So that is PHP Falcons DevTool master. DevTools master, that is developer tools, are nothing but providing access and like scaffolding application, web application, creation of web applications, and many more. So I have just added both of them and just say okay. Okay. Now what you need to do is just go to your command prompt. Inside here, I will create a project. So for starting, first of all, let's check it out if it has been done successfully or not. So inside my command prompt, I'll just type Falcon and check. Yes, now it has successfully done. The dev tools have been successfully installed, and you can now very well create a project in a very simple manner. So what for that, you need to redirect to the XAMPP folder. So it says CD. Now I'll redirect myself to XAMPP. So that is CD XAMPP, and inside htdocs, okay, I'll create a project. So for that, the command for creating project in Falcon is Falcon create project, and my project name is suppose demo. So I'll just click on enter. So it says project demo has been created successfully. So what I need to do is like just go to the browser. So I have a browser over here. I'll just click on localhost. This is my dashboard. I'll just say demo to check whether it has been done or not. Just a sec. Yeah. So localhost demo, you will easily see a screen over here which says like a welcome page telling congratulations, you're flying with Falcon. So great things are yet to happen. So this is like index page of the Falcon structure. So that's all. We have created the project of Falcon in our system. So this was all about the procedure of installation and creating a project with the help of developer tools in Falcon.